Someone who works in construction, spends a lot of time outdoors, or just tends to be a little clumsy with your phone, then a rugged phone might be the perfect fit for you. But with so many options out there, why choose the HOTWAV T7? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to give you 5 reasons why this phone should be at the top of your list. If you're interested in picking up the HOTWAV T7 for yourself, I've added a link to the product page in the description below. This is an affiliate link, so if you do end up buying through it, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. The first thing you need in a rugged phone is ruggedness. The HOTWAV T7 is built to take a beating. It's IP68 and IP69K rated, which means it's completely dustproof and can survive being submerged in water for up to 30 minutes at a depth of 1.5 meters. On top of that, it's also MIL STD 8110H compliant, which means it can withstand shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. So, whether you drop it in a puddle, out on the job site, or accidentally leave it in the freezer, the HOTWAV T7 can handle it. Another crucial feature for a rugged phone is a long-lasting battery. There's nothing worse than your phone dying when you're out in the wilderness or in the middle of an important project. The HOTWAV T7 packs a massive 6200 mAh battery. That's enough power to keep you going for a full day, even with heavy use. You can finally ditch the anxiety of constantly searching for a charger. It is powered by a MediaTek MT8788 processor and 4 GB of RAM. This might not be the top-of-the-line setup, but it's enough to handle most everyday tasks smoothly, including browsing the web, streaming videos, and even some light gaming. These days, it seems like we can never have enough storage space on our phones. The HOTWAV T7 comes with 128 GB of built-in storage, which is enough for most users. But if you need even more space for photos, videos, and apps, you can easily expand the storage using a micro SD card up to 2 TB. Rugged phones can be pretty expensive, but the HOTWAV T7 is surprisingly affordable, especially considering all the features it offers. This makes it a great option for those who need a tough phone without breaking the bank. Why you should consider the HOTWAV T7 as your next phone. If you're looking for a rugged, reliable phone that won't let you down, the HOTWAV T7 is a great option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting me know what you think about the HOTWAV T7 and if you have any questions. And if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, remember the link is in the description below.